Hey guys, Mike Dix here with SkipperBud's, Lake St. Clair, here in Harrison Township, Michigan. Just want to show you this 2024 Scout 215 XSF. This boat is powered by a Mercury 150 outboard. It does have just a few demo hours on it from boat shows and a couple customer demo rides. See a two-piece fully integrated hardtop, raw water wash down, nicely appointed helm with space for one or two screens. Does have a flip out rear bench seat. Moving forward, a very large bow seating area. Twin backrests for forward facing. And then you have a very large fish box / cooler, fully insulated with a drain. So you can use a storage, cooler, however you like. This boat has some incredible incentives right now, bringing the price with the trailer right into the mid 80s. So don't waste any time. Reach out today.